Then you had some on the bottom, which is, you always put some on the bottom because obviously the oil drips through and the fat takes away the marinade. So that's it. Okay. Then what I'll do,
Hai guys, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Hari ini dingin banget, di luar tuh bersalju. Hujannya tadi bersalju juga, bener nggak sweetheart? It's cold today.
yeah, very cold. I think it's zero.
Zero.
And then tonight I think it goes down to -5.
Oh my goodness.
So in the morning there'll be frost everywhere, frozen windows, and we won't want to be going too far.
No.
But yes, and we may have some snow in the week.
Yes. And today snow also.
Yeah, a little bit of snow, but that's not much snow.
Yes, but for me it's a big. Okay. Jadi hari ini karena snow dan dingin-dingin seperti ini, enaknya makan spicy.
Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken wing. Jadi enaknya.
Spicy.
You don't like spicy?
Oh, you like spicy now?
We like spicy.
We've got plain chicken for you, mate.
Yes, you are plain one. Mommy and Daddy spicy.
Yeah. Oh.
Daddy said, Daddy want spicy. Is it right,
Yeah.
Daddy?
Try.
Okay. Nah, sekarang suami saya mau siap-siap masak dulu, udah lapar karena musim dingin gini bikin perut lapar. Halal chicken wing, ini ada label halalnya. Di sini juga ada label halal. Oke, ini sayap ayam dan terus dengan bumbu peri-peri marinade hot. Maksudnya pedas banget. Ini pedasnya pedas level pedas-pedas banget. Ini juga halal. Tuh ada lambang halalnya. Kayak cabe Afrika, cabe kecilnya Afrika. Katanya ini pedas banget. Wah, ini serius nih suami saya mau masak ini. Oke, kalau gitu tunggu aja suami masak.
Sweetheart, right.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna have some chicken wings,
Chicken wing.
which you like. So the chicken wing, but we need to have them spicy because you can't have chicken wings unless they're spicy. So
Really?
I buy a marinade sauce, which is Nando's peri-peri hot.
Oh, really, sweetheart?
Yeah, got it hot. I don't know what's the matter with you, lad. I tell you, it's your problem.
But are you alright? It's hot.
Course I am.
Spicy?
Course I am.
Ini pedas banget, coba. Oh, ini bener-bener ya Bruce Willis.
Okay.
Ini pedas banget. Okay.
Nice and hot and spicy. I'll mix them around, and then these will go back in the fridge for 24 hours. And so all the hot and spicy will be in the chicken wings. Okay? And then
Okay.
once that's done, we'll get them out and we'll put them in the grill and cook them lightly.
Ini sayap ayamnya sudah marinate, jadi direndam dulu dengan bumbu pedas tadi yang peri-peri, disimpan 24 jam semalaman ataupun 4 hours. Is it alright? 2 hours or 4 hours?
I normally leave them in for about 2 or 3 hours, just let it soak into the skin, and then away we go. Okay. So we'll put them into the fridge.
Okay, see
And
that.
I'll see you a little bit later. Okay, sweetheart. So these have been in now for what? 4 hours. We put these onto the grill. Now the sauce there, okay, will be spread across.
Okay.
I'll baste the chicken as we cook it to keep the flavour in. He's here. Obviously no spicing. He has a little bit from us, but no, not really spicy because he doesn't like too spicy.
Okay.
So once that species of chicken, okay?
Okay.
So, hello big boy.
Hello Dallas.
Hello. It won't be long for din-dins.
We have spicy chicken wing. You feel hungry? Same like mommy. Feel hungry too.
What do you want with it, Dallas? Do you want potatoes or would you like some chippy chips?
Yeah.
Chippy chips.
And chicken.
Yeah. Chicken with some chips. We know that's what we're having. We're having chicken. Okay.
And chip.
Right. Okay.
And chip.
Okay, and chip. Okay.
Okay. So, you'd like to come back to me in a moment, sweetheart?
Okay.
You have to cook it, and the top on a fan oven, the top always gets hotter. It
Okay.
always cooks. So you have to turn it over on a regular basis.
Okay. Okay, sweetheart.
Just keep filming, and I'll show you.
Okay then.
I'll teach you how to cook, sweetheart.
Oh wow, really? And also you cook spicy.
Yeah.
You very brave today. You cooking spicy chicken.
Okay. So yes, I'm cooking spicy chicken tonight.
Yeah.
Why not? I like spicy food. Since I met my beautiful wife, all I can do is eat spicy food. Fantastic. Well, a lot of bullshit. Anyway. It's been in for probably 10 minutes or so. So now I'm going to flip them over so it expose the bottom of the wing. I'm going to put some more sauce on. You baste the chicken again.
Jadi dimasukin lagi ininya, bumbu-bumbunya.
Okay.
Smell nice, sweetheart. Okay.
Okay. So then that goes back in the oven now.
Okay.
I'll move it up. You got our spice at the top,
Okay.
Dallas's chicken in the middle, then some potatoes at the bottom.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Okay. I'm hungry now, sweetheart.
I know, you're always hungry, sweetheart.
When you're cooking.
You're so little, you never stop eating. Unbelievable.
You big, but you little eating.
I know. I know. Need to go to the gym. Okay.
Okay. Wow,
Put these in the
chicken
bowl.
done. Oh, sweetheart, I'm really hungry
I
now.
know.
Thank you, sweetheart. Dallas, dinner ready.
Okay. Put it down.
Oh my goodness. Lihat ya ampun, ini ya crunchy di luar, juicy di dalam. Yum yum yum.
Just have to wait for Dallas's and the chips to come.
Dinner ready. Jadi dingin banget di luar sana, lagi nunggu makanannya datang. Ini ayam, sayap ayam pedasnya udah selesai, tinggal kentangnya dan punya Dallas. Dallas, come on, dinner ready. Oke, nggak tahan lagi, lapar.
Careful, Dallas, these are hot.
Dallas.
Don't touch those.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Daddy.
4.
This.
Sorry?
Give me 4.
4.
You can take.
You won't eat 4. You never eat 4.
Don't worry, you can take.
Mom, watch this.
Alright, yes, that is
Okay.
good. Okay. Thank you, Daddy.
Spasa.
Okay. Berdoa before we eat.
Yes.
It's not going to be a long one.
Okay. Thank you, Daddy.
Bismillah.
No, we're waiting for Daddy.
Mom,
Hey.
Mom will do it, Daddy.
Right, you'll do it then.
Okay. Okay, berdoa mulai. Come on. Okay. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahman.
Irrahman.
Bismillahirrahim.
Nirahim.
Allahumma.
Allah.
Umma.
Oma.
Udah.
Barik
Barik. Nama.
Lana.
No, not Lama.
Lana.
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 Yes.
Barik. Lana.
Then.
Fima.
Prima.
Fima.
Masak mana?
Ozakana.
Wakina.
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 Aza.
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 Bana.
Bana.
Amin. It's hot.
Daddy, what is this?
What is
Vinegar.
that, Daddy?
Vinegar.
Okay.
Jadi kalau untuk makan ketannya pakai vinegar dan garam. Okay?
We're going to
Yeah, not too much, please. It's because little bit.
Only a little bit.
Oh, that's it.
So then you have the sourness and the sweetness.
Sweetness. Mm. Spicy, sweetheart.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh, I haven't tried it yet.
Mom, vinegar smells lovely.
Really? You
Yeah,
like
vinegar's
vinegar?
nice. Yeah.
You English. Mommy
Yeah.
didn't like vinegar.
Yeah. Well, when I was a little boy, Friday night you had chips and fish
That's
Ow.
cool.
from the fish shop.
Uh-huh.
Yes, that's what you did.
Well,
Like, you just
from
it was
the-
traditional.
Yeah. And
Jadi kalau setiap hari Jumat,
from next
tradisionalnya
to
orang
the
Inggris itu
grass.
makannya
Yeah.
fish and chip. Waktu suami saya masih kecilnya dulu.
So there are many fish and chip shops. Well, there still are many, but not as many. But when I was a little boy, fish and chips everywhere.
So next time we make fish and chip.
Mm.
Okay?
Okay, right.
Try it sudah. Pedas.
Hold on. I have to give.
Because saya suka yang
Bicara.
yang garing-garing gini.
Mom, let me here. This one.
Oke. Spicy Daddy.
Oh, there's Mama.
Oh dia. Pedas banget.
Mom, Maya, not this spicy.
Oh, not spicy dah lah.
No.
Nice Daddy.
That was lovely, sweetheart.
It's very nice, sweetheart.
A little bit spicy, but it was fantastic.
Oh, pedas. Habis tak bersisa. Oh, sweetheart, you very brave.
Oh.
Spicy deh. You want water, sweetheart?
No, I'm big and tough. Have some water.
Okay, I will bring water. Okay. kepedesan coba. Makannya sudah banyak gini coba ya kepedesan. Ludes semua. Oh, enak banget. Thank you sweetheart. Cooking spicy again. Okay. Masak pedas lagi. Nice winter like this sweetheart. Thank you so much. Segitu aja video hari ini. Semuanya pada kepedesan. Makan kerupuk. Suami saya makan kerupuk untuk menghilangin pedas. Gak mau ngomong. Oke, sweetheart, are you alright? You alright? Gak bisa ngomong lagi. Pedas. Oke, kalau gitu sampai di sini dulu video hari ini. Sampai ketemu video-video selanjutnya. Terima kasih yang sudah time, komen, dan like. Bye. Pedas juga saya juga. Sweetheart, are you alright?
What is a specialty in propulsion exactly?
You're trying to kill me.
No, you cook too spicy for me also.
Oh yeah.
You're a rocket scientist.
Oh, we didn't know. Oh,
Katanya,
I was trying to kill her, but it backfired.
End up here. It's all just numbers, really. Just changing
suami saya coba membunuh saya dengan makanan pedas. Ternyata suami saya sendiri yang kena getahnya. Oke.